Hello everyone, here's a quick recap of week 4. This week, we opened by looking at different types of thesis statements. We talked about an informative thesis, which tells readers about a topic in a neutral way, an argumentative thesis, which states a claim that readers can agree or disagree with, and contains an assertion and a backing, and we talked about a question or open-ended thesis, where the essay opens with a question and the question is answered at the end as a statement, an implied thesis, which is often used in narrative or memoir. In this thesis, readers slowly get the point as they read the document. Argumentative theses are often found in academic essays. Question or open-ended theses are often found in newspaper articles or blog posts. And implied or narrative theses are often found in memoirs, such as Educated by Tara Westover. Your digital interface analysis will use an informative thesis. Try to sum up everything you are noticing into one sentence. Then, we talked about social media. In this class, the discussion board and class blended this week. You all did a great job of drawing upon each resource. Together, we came up with some problems with social media. This can include keyboard courage and anonymity, the way that it is easy to spread fake news because of a lack of background information, the fact that arguments never get resolved and instead degrade into roasting, the lack of clear lines in what is appropriate to say and what is not. And we noticed that many of these problems stem from the fact that there is a wide audience. Because the audience for a post is so large, it can be difficult to convey purpose and adhere to context within your post. There are also positive aspects of social media. These can include the ability to choose to be inspired by a community and be inspired by that community and be part of that community, the ability to stay in touch with family and friends, the ability to build a personal brand and network for business, the ability to reach potential businesses and customers, and also, it's just fun and entertaining. If we were to come up with a class thesis on social media, it might be something like, social media is a tool which can be used for both beneficial and detrimental purposes. The outcome of its use is highly dependent on the user's intent. But perhaps if we were putting in an actual essay, we might want to put it a little more eloquently and concisely. Finally, we looked at a New York Times article that had a unique digital interface. The article incorporated Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, Google Street View, short, isolated sentences, and longer blocks of text and video to help readers imagine a Manhattan without cars. Interestingly, this article is a national newspaper written for a national audience, but it is only talking about a super small area of land. What does that dichotomy suggest about news and audience? Thank you for your time, and have a great week.